Okay, so we've got the Samsung Galaxy 10.1 here, everyone. It's a great tablet. I really enjoy it. It has a really great system, really easy to use, lots of great features. I have another video I'll link that I talk a little bit about some of the features. But this video I want to talk about their keyboard. This is the Galaxy Tab portable keyboard. Now, let's take a look at the device first. As you can see inside of this is like the holding stand, there is a charge port. On the device there's also a 3.5mm headphone jack, and then there is also, oops, is it on this side? Yes. There's a plug so you can plug in your charger, so it'll charge your device while it's in the
turn left onto Williamsburg Drive.
While it's in the unit.
Turn left onto Williamsburg Drive.
I had my my navigation system going. It was just starting to tell me where to go, but that's all that was. But let's get back to the keyboard. I'll end this navigation. Let's get back to the keyboard and show a little bit about what it can do. So we're going to take the tablet here, and we're going to just put it into this device. And it sits in there real nice and simple. Let me see if I can get this camera at a good angle here, because I want to be able to show how this unit works now. Alright, so now that we have the tablet with the keyboard, we can do lots of faster things. The on-screen keyboard is great, but let's say we go to the browser, and if we were going to type in a URL, normally you would get an on-screen keyboard, but now we have this keyboard to use, so we can go ahead and type in google.com. Now we're at Google, we can type in youtube.com 9-week hedgehog bath, and then we can see my YouTube video here of my 9-week hedgehog taking a bath. Turn down the screen brightness a little, it looks a little bright on the camera, and then we can just go ahead right there and play the video of the hedgehogs taking a bath. We got our sound here. Oh, I still have the Pandora going in the background. But very cool for YouTube videos, very cool for searching the internet. If you want to go back, there's a button on the keyboard right here. It'll go back to the last page. Keep searching your YouTube. And you could do pretty much anything you want. Hotmail.com, Gmail.com, anything. Real simple and easy, and you can type. So if you're going to use your YouTube account, you can answer questions a lot quicker on this than you could if you were using the on-screen keyboard. And like I said, the on-screen keyboard's great, but this keyboard is a lot quicker and easier to type on. So if you're answering a lot of emails and stuff, it's a really nice little extra device to add on to your Samsung Galaxy Tab. So I wanted to show you guys that, and I really recommend this product. Hope you have fun with your tablets, and see you guys later.